How to make a checkbook registry using a spreadsheet program. This one's going to be a little bit long. All right, because this is a skill that some of you never learned in school, so we're going to teach you here. So you're going to open up a spreadsheet. In this particular case, I'm going to use Google Drive simply because it just works for me. And the advantage of using Google Drive is the fact that I can use it on my phone as well as on the computer. Now, this is kind of important to learn because they don't teach it in school anymore, and some of you people need to learn how to balance a checkbook so you know how much money is actually in your account versus what the bank is telling you. So in your spreadsheet, the first thing you're probably going to do is put date of your transaction. That makes sense. I always do data, sorry. And then you're going to put charge, which is your credit card or your debit card or your writing a check. Who writes checks anymore? But just to say, this is going to be your deposits. This is going to be your paycheck. This is going to be your balance and who or what it was for. The next thing you need to do is freeze that line. Now, every spreadsheet is going to have a slightly different way of doing it, but on Google, you go into view, freeze, and we're going to freeze up to line 1. The reason why is see how it never moves. That'll be important later on in the month. So let's say this is the first of the month, and I'm just going to do January. And you don't have a deposit, but you do have an opening balance. So let's say you've got $500 in there. Opening balance. Helps that I can spell. So, of course, it being New Year's Day, you didn't do anything. You're probably recovering from a hangover. However, you needed Tylenol for your headache. So you went to the store and spent $14.76 on Tylenol. Now, how is this going to work? Well, you need to do a formula. So you're going to hit the equal sign, which is the beginning of all formulas. You're going to take the balance above. You're going to minus the charge. I want you to add one extra thing. You're going to plus any deposits, and this will come in handy later. There you go. That's your running balance. So the next day, you go to work, you buy some gas. Let's say you spent $36 and you got some Monster 14 cents. It didn't do it automatically. That's okay. You just go up here, copy, and paste. And then you put gas station. Pretty neat, right? Now, if you want this to cheat, what you could do is you could do copy. You can go down here to the next line. You can hold the shift key down and page down. See how it's going down multiple pages? And then you can do control V and you could paste that formula. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be the same number, but watch, it'll change. And let's say you got something out of the vending machine at work and it cost you $1.20. See how it changed automatically? Work vending machine. So next day you go home, you decide you need some groceries. Just something quick and easy. So pay $8.79 for some burritos at the store. So you can take them to work and not rely on that vending machine. See how this is constantly changing? That's good. So on the 4th, we're going to assume this is payday and they dropped in your paycheck through direct deposit. So it's going to say $11.79.63. Paycheck. See how quick, easy, and simple this is? And the reason why this is important, and I say this all the time, because if you've ever dealt with Amazon, you know you spent $113.55 on Amazon. Amazon does not charge you right away. They charge you when they ship it. And so what happens if they don't ship this out for a whole week? Then your bank balance is showing that you're $113 more than what you're supposed to. You don't know that by looking at your bank account because it doesn't show you, because they haven't charged your account yet. So, a week later comes along, boom, now you've bounced a check because you kept relying on the bank and not actually running a checkbook. So, this is important to do so you can look at it not only on your computer, but you can look at it on your phone as well. So, at least when you're doing it through Google Drive or Office 365 or something of that nature where it's cloud based. Like I said, I wish more people would learn to do this. It's a skill they don't teach in school any more than they should, but that's how you do a basic checkbook in Excel or Office or, in this case, Google Drive. And it will, trust me, save you immensely. And there's a whole bunch of other things you can do to this to help you save money too, but that'll be a different video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, follow. Contact information is on the screen. Hopefully that helps you in managing your money a little bit better. And if you need further tips, let me know.